Hi, this is the unboxing of the Athletic Propulsion Labs Joyride, or Women's Joyride, in black and silver. These shoes are from Athletic Propulsion were purchased at Net-a-Porter. You can see the bow. So we can put that aside. But there you see the box, Athletic Propulsion Labs. Very cool logo. Let's see, maybe this is the important thing here. Joyride, size 11, in black and silver. Okay. These shoes feature some cool high-tech features, like the Propellium sole, and the paper is very cool. It's got the logo still. You can see it here. Alright. Branding. And then here are the shoes, mostly in black. It's got a label, right? It's for talks about the sole, etc. You can see the silver detailing along the way here, right? Some type of mesh construction in the front, and then it looks like rubber or some other material here, harder material. Logo in the back, and then a very clean white sole now that will become dirtier in time, I am sure. Thank you very much for watching. This was the unboxing of the Athletic Propulsion Lab Women's Joyride in black and silver.